Divide and write scientific notation for the result. 5 6/10 times 10 to the 6 divided by 3 2/10 times 10 to the negative 11. So, in this case, we divide the numbers that are between 1 and 10. So 5.6 divided by 3.2. Then we multiply by dividing the powers of 10 expressions. In other words, 10 to the 6th divided by 10 to the minus 11. This would be equal to, well, when you divide this, which you'll probably do on a calculator, you'll get 1 75/100, or in other words, 1.75, times 10. Remember that when we are dividing exponential expressions with the same base, we subtract the exponents. So 6 minus a negative 11. This would then be equal to, in scientific notation, 1.75 times 10 to the 17th power.